river level line dance with restarts on walls 2 and 4 after 16 counts and a tag restart on wall 8 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the restarts, the tag restart, and the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance all 10 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Jaded. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, flip your left foot behind your right, step your left foot to the left side. Cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right over your left. Step your left foot to the left side, rock back with your right foot, and recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do turning hip bumps. Our first one is going to make a quarter, so you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, touching your right toe back and bumping your right hip. You're now going to bump your left hip forward. You should be at 9 o'clock. You're going to bump your right hip back, taking weight onto your right foot. We're now going to do a half turning hip bump. So you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, touching your left toe to the side and bumping your hip to the left. Bump your hip to the right. And then you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, bumping your hip forward to face 3 o'clock. Step forward with your right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and then we're going to do 2 walks forward, right, left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our rock back recover. You're doing your turning hip bump. So it's 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a 3/8 turn over our left shoulder. You're going to step your right foot to the right side as you make these 3/8 turn, and then you're going to bring your left foot into your right. And as you bring your left foot into your right, you're going to flick your right foot back to face 430. You want to use those 2 counts to fully make your 3/8 turn. You want it to be nice and fluid. From here, we're going to shuffle forward into the diagonal, stepping your right foot forward, left together, right forward. You're going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right. You're going to step back with your left. You're going to make an 8th turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 6 o'clock, and then step forward with your left. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your 3/8 turn. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a right rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward with your right foot, recover back onto your left. Rock back with your right foot, recover forward on your left. And now we're going to do a jazz box quarter turn with a cross. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 9 o'clock, and then cross your left over your right, and you'll be ready to start over again with your side flick. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your step to the right. So it's side, flick, side, behind side, cross, side, rock back, recover, quarter, hip bump, half hip bump, step, half pivot, walk, walk, 3/8, side, together, flip, shuffle into the diagonal, rock, recover, back, 8, forward, rocking chair, jazz box quarter, turn with a cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about the restarts. Your first restart will be on wall 2. When you do the restarts without the tag, you're going to make a quarter turn to start the dance over again. So what that means is you'll be doing your 2 walks, and instead of just ending there, you'll make that quarter turn stepping to the side. So you'll make a quarter turn over your left shoulder doing your side flick. So let's dance the 16 counts, and then we'll talk about doing that quarter turn. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our step to the right. So it's side, flick, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock back, recover, quarter, hip bump, half hip bump, step, half pivot, walk, walk. Right here, instead of restarting to 6 o'clock, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, and you're going to step your right foot to the right side and do your flick to start over facing 3 o'clock. So that will become wall 3. You'll dance wall 3 all the way through, and then on wall 4, we're going to dance those same 16 counts and do that quarter turn to restart. So let's dance the 16 counts, stepping to the right. So it's side, flick, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock back, recover, quarter hip bump, half hip bump, step, half pivot, walk, walk. You'll make your quarter turn, step, flick to face 6 o'clock. You'll then dance wall 5, wall 6, and wall 7 all the way through. When we get to wall 8, this is where you're going to add on your tag, which is just a quarter touch, side touch. So let's dance the 16 counts, and then we will add on our tag. Weight is on your left, you're stepping to your right, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right here, you're going to add on your 4-count tag. Your 4-count tag is just making a quarter turn doing side touches. So you're going to make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side to face 3 o'clock. Touch your left next to your right. Step your left foot to the left side and touch your right next to your left. And then you'll be ready to start over again, side flick. So let's try that tag with some counts. Making your quarter turn, stepping to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're ready to start over again. You'll dance wall 9 all the way through. Wall 10 is your final wall of the dance, and all we're going to do is change the jazz box quarter turn to a jazz box half turn. So you'll be facing 6 o'clock, you would have just finished your rocking chair. All we're going to do is a jazz box half turn instead of a quarter. So you're going to cross your right over your left. You'll make your quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock, and then step forward with your left. Now in the video, Lee does take one more step forward. So if you would like to, you can as well. But as long as you turn that jazz box to the front, then you will end facing 12 o'clock. So let's just try that change with some counts. We would have just done our rocking chair for 1, 2, 3, 4, jazz box half, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance all 10 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transition from the restarts and the tag restart into the next wall as well as the ending. Weight is on your left to start the dance. We're going to do our side flick. So it's side, flick, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, back, recover, quarter hip bump, half hip bump, step, half pivot, walk, walk, 3/8, together flick, shuffle forward, rock, recover, back 8 forward, rocking chair, jazz box quarter turn with your cross, 16 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make your quarter turn. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 16 counts. Side, flick, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, back, recover, quarter hip bump, half hip bump, step, half pivot, walk, walk, make your quarter turn, side, flick, side, behind side cross, side rock, back, recover, quarter hip bump, half hip bump, step, half pivot, walk, walk, 3/8 together, flick, shuffle forward, rock, recover, back, 8 forward, rocking chair, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, side, flick, side, behind side cross, side rock, back, recover, quarter hip bump, half hip bump, step, half pivot, walk, walk, 3/8 together, flick, shuffle forward, rock, recover, back, 8 forward, rocking chair, jazz box, quarter, turn with a cross, 16 counts with your tag, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, do your tag, quarter, touch, side, touch, start over, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, last wall side, flick, side, behind side cross, side rock, back, recover, quarter hip bump, half hip bump, step, half pivot, walk, walk, 3/8 together, flick, shuffle forward, rock, recover, back, 8 forward, rocking chair, and a jazz box half turn to the front, and that is the full dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Jaded. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.